Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly tech. I've been using a pair of wireless earbuds for the past week, and I'm ready to share my thoughts, giving you an in-depth review of what these affordable audio companions have to offer. I'll cover the sound quality, comfort, battery life, and overall value. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the sound. For the price, I was genuinely surprised. The bass is quite decent, providing a satisfying thump without being overpowering. The highs aren't overly tinny, which is a common issue with cheaper earbuds. They offer a reasonably balanced sound profile. They're not going to blow you away if you're an audiophile, of course. But for everyday listening, for things like your morning commute, or while you're working, they perform admirably. Podcasts, audiobooks, and even some music sound surprisingly clear and enjoyable. Moving on to comfort, these earbuds fit snugly in my ears. The design is ergonomic, and they stayed put, even during moderate exercise and some light jogging. I've used them while working out, and they stayed put. They come with a variety of different sized ear tips, so you can find the perfect fit for your ear canal, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. I wore them for a few hours at a time, and they didn't cause any discomfort or ear fatigue, which is a huge plus. Battery life is another crucial factor, and it's an area where these earbuds really shine. These earbuds claim to offer several hours of playback on a single charge. In my experience, that claim is pretty accurate, holding up to the manufacturer's promises. I got around the advertised time, which is really great. The charging case provides additional charges, extending the overall battery life significantly, meaning less time spent tethered to a power outlet. I only needed to charge the case every few days, even with pretty consistent use. Now, let's talk about the value. Considering the sound quality, the comfort level, and the impressive battery life, these earbuds offer exceptional value for the money. They're a truly great option if you're on a tight budget, or if you simply don't want to spend a fortune on a pair of wireless earbuds. They're a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and functional pair of wireless earbuds without breaking the bank. Of course, there are some downsides. The microphone quality isn't the absolute best, so calls aren't always crystal clear. But they are certainly usable. Also, the build quality, while perfectly functional, feels a bit cheap. But that's a trade-off that's entirely expected at this competitive price point. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed with these budget wireless earbuds. They're a fantastic option for anyone looking for affordable, everyday listening. They're comfortable, the battery life is great, and they offer a surprisingly decent listening experience. If you're looking for a budget-friendly pair of wireless earbuds, I can wholeheartedly recommend these as a solid purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this review helpful. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried these earbuds yourself. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing budget wireless earbuds. I've used these for a week, and I'm ready to share my thoughts. First up, the unboxing. The packaging was simple. Inside, you'll find the earbuds, a charging case, a USB-C cable, and extra ear tips. Setting them up was easy. Pairing was quick, which is great. Design and build quality are next. These earbuds have a sleek look and feel well built. They're plastic, but not cheap. They fit comfortably, and I wore them for hours without issue. The charging case is compact with a nice matte finish. Sound quality is important. I was surprised by the audio. The sound is clear, balanced, and has decent bass. The highs aren't harsh, and the mids are well defined. They won't blow you away if you're an audiophile, but for casual listening, they're fine. I tested them with different genres, and they performed well. The volume levels are good. They have touch controls to play pause, skip, and answer calls. The touch controls are responsive and easy to use. There's also a built-in microphone for calls, which works well. People could hear me clearly, even in noisy environments. The battery life is also important. The earbuds offer around 5 to 6 hours of playtime, and the case provides an extra 20 hours. This is standard. I could easily get through a full day. I tested the range. I could walk around my apartment without dropouts. The Bluetooth was stable. Downsides? Not many, considering the price. Noise isolation isn't the best. You can still hear ambient noise, which can be an issue in crowded places. The touch controls can sometimes be too sensitive. I accidentally skipped tracks a few times. Overall, these are a great value. They offer a good balance of features, sound, and battery life. Perfect for anyone on a budget. If you're on a tight budget, check these out. Thanks for watching.